Hey guys, this is Miss Hendry. All right, so I'm going to show you how to access a lesson in your Google Classroom and how to complete an activity and submit it so that I can see it and grade it. All right, so you are going to click on your classroom. There are a few tabs up here. You're going to find the classwork tab, and then you're going to go over here and let's see, number drag. Let's do this activity. So we're going to view the assignment. And so this is what it should look like. You're going to click on your Google Slide activity. And then you're going to go to your lesson and it says, I see one duck on the pond. Let me move this so you can see the number 1. All right, so you're going to drag 1 duck. All right, then you go to number 2. You're going to drag 2 ducks. All right, and then after you would go through and finish it all. After you are finished, you're going to exit out. It will take you back to your original assignment, and then you're going to click Turn In, and Miss Hendry will be able to see it. And then I want to show you another thing real quick, because, again, classwork. And then for something like this, this is our actual lesson, and it's Miss Hendry's Bitmoji classroom. So this is what you're going to do. You would click in Present Mode. Yay, Miss Hendry. All right, and then you're going to go through each lesson. You're going to click on all the videos that Miss Hendry's inserted. You're going to watch our lessons. Make sure that you click on the different things that there are loaded around here, just like this. This one popped up late. And then make sure you click on those and follow the links. And then go through each classroom and make sure that you do all of the parts. Click Exit. And then after that, click the X and then click Mark as Done. And it's going to say you didn't attach work, but we need to mark it as done so that Miss Hendry knows that you watched our lesson. All right. Bye, friends. See you later.